colleagues. This video is to make you aware on using the newly developed web-based performance appraisal tool. We believe you have received a communication from HR which shares you the link for accessing the application along with the user credentials. Please copy the link and paste in the URL box and then enter your employee ID. That would be your username and the default password, Cura, capital C-U-R-A. And then click login. This will take you to the home page. Click change password for the security reasons and then log in once again to the portal with a new password. So click performance appraisal link that will take you to the appraisal tool. There are 5 tabs in performance appraisal tool and we are not going to cover all 5 tabs in self appraisal. For grade A and B, so we are going to focus self appraisal tab, performance measure, rating and assessment. For employees in grade C and above, we'll be focusing on self appraisal, performance measure, core competencies, and rating and assessment. As a note of caution, please always click save once you complete commenting each of the tab. This will allow you to secure your inputs, and once you form that you are completed the process, then click submit. So once you submit, you will not be in a position to modify or add any value to the comments. Let us understand each of the tabs in detail. The first tab, self-appraisal tab, has 3 questions. Please be very specific and objective in keying in your comments. So once you're done with all 3 questions, please click save and then move to the next tab, which is performance measure. The key areas which you have agreed with your manager during beginning of this year, maybe in the month of April 2016 or May 2016, we have captured that and uploaded in the tool. So you can click each of this key area that would expand further, and you can view the key performance indicator, target, weightage which you agreed. In case if you find any misalignment, feel free to reach HR. So this is the box wherein you can comment about the performance you have exhibited against the target. So wherever possible, be very specific and objective and provide facts if available. So based on the performance level you have exhibited against the target, suitably you can select the rating from the 5 rating scales, and similarly you can adopt the same approach for other KRAs. Once you are done with this, click save and you can move to core competencies. For employees in grade A and B, core competency tab will be disabled. During the review discussion with your manager will assess the instances where you have exhibited such competencies and you will be rated accordingly. For employees in grade C and above, core competency tab will be enabled. You can use this box against each competency to key in the instances where you have exhibited such competencies and you can select the suitable rating. You can replicate the same approach for other competencies. Once you are done with this, click save and then move to the next tab, which is rating and assessment. So here is the box that allows you to summarize the overall performance which you exhibited during the performance year, that is from April 2016 to March 2017. You can also use this box to highlight the milestones or achievements you have made during this year. Once you summarize your overall performance for the year, click save and do a final review of the comments you have keyed in against all the self-appraisal tabs. Click self-appraisal and review the comments you have keyed in against the 3 questions. In performance measure, expand all the key result areas, review the comment you have given and the rating you have selected. And in core competencies, for employees in grade C and above, review the comments and review the ratings you have selected. And in rating and assessment, review the comments, the overall summary you have keyed in. And once you are firm and confirm that you have completed the process, click submit. Once you click yes, you will not be in a position to do any correction in the comments which was submitted through self-appraisal. So make sure before you click submit. You will receive a mail notification acknowledging the submission of your self-appraisal. What next? Check your inbox. You will receive a mail notification with a schedule for your manager review discussion. If you have any queries on the process, feel free to reach us. Thank you.